And you can see there is tons of sugar in here. So what it probably is, it's probably just, woo! Oh, that's good. Dyed sugar or sugar mixed with sour liquid, a blue color. They are definitely sour. The more sugar you get on it, oh look at this. This might be rough. Look at that. Oh boy. It's sour. It reminds me of... Have you ever had Warheads? It reminds me like that, just Gushers. They are good. I can see why. I've had blue raspberry from other brands. This is definitely the most sour I've had. I would rank this probably in the top 3, probably number 1 so far.